This is a female Puma. She'll go hungry today, and so will her cubs. They need a change in their fortunes, and in these mountains, change is never far away. Within days, the snow disappears. Now, Pitaka has her camouflage back. And her speed. She must get a firm grip on the neck. If she gets it wrong, a single kick could be fatal. It's now been a week since Pitaka and her cubs last ate. A scent. A carcass. But it belongs to someone else. But this is no stranger. It's Pitaka's older sister, with her 2 larger cubs. And she seems happy to share. Pitaka's cubs aren't sure what to make of their cousins just yet.